Thanks very much for clicking onto my channel. I am on my way to Grove Park, which is over there in Weston Super to check out an event called Glow. Glow is all about lights, and what they've done is set up some light displays inside the park. And just looking from here, I don't know if you can see it that well. But there is loads of stuff going on. There's music playing, so it should be a good one. So if you want to see what it's like in Glow, keep watching. By the way, if you're from Weston Super, press that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and let me know if you've been here. So yeah, keep watching. Look at these swings. Look at these. It's got a bit of a like Christmassy feel to it, hasn't it?
Yeah, it does, doesn't it?
You know, it's got that warm glow. Oh, right. Oh, is it? You got to find woodland creatures.
Is it?
All these hot drinks and sausage rolls this way, so we're going this way.
Christmas.
It does, doesn't it? It's like really Christmassy. Takes me back to Vlogmas when I was doing my Christmas-like videos. Oh yeah, by the way, if you haven't, subscribe. Oh my days, look at that. Definitely not every day you see light up stags. They look like kites, don't they? Good fun that, weren't it? And for free as well.
I loved it!
It was great, weren't it? What did you do, Millie?
I loved it!
You got some good pictures, didn't you?
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
That's alright.
Lovely, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Enjoyed it?
Yes.
Thank you. Yeah, it's brilliant. Thank you. Oh, look at this. Thank you very much. Cheers. Thank you. Come on then, gang. Well done, Millie. Well, we're off back to the car now. I think we're going to go and grab some chips. Chips, aren't we, just to warm up?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes. Come on, who else does that? You know, you've had a lovely day, evening, you're like, let's go and grab a bag of chips. Bag of chips always ends a fantastic day, doesn't it? Much for watching, guys, and remember, if you haven't, subscribe. Give us a thumbs up. Thank you very much.